Okay, today guys, we're going to tour this 12 by 34 foot tiny house with a 9-foot square porch. This thing is loaded, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. It has everything and a washer and dryer. It is ready to go right now. It is for sale and the price is very low. It's got one dirty little secret. Let's do the walk around. Okay guys, today we're out on a lot here in Kennesaw, Georgia. They sell basically trailers that are configured into the tiny house feel and look. This particular one is 34 feet of living space long by 12 feet across with a 9-foot porch, all pressure treated. This unit has a black color and has a long lasting siding. It has residential windows. It is set up for 100 amp service. It is sitting on 3 axles. It is already preset with the mini split system. So it is pre-installed currently. You can see fresh water. So this unit is ready to go. We're going to do the walk inside. Of course, comes with your hitch for the ball. Again, it has the pressure treated porch here. Has the cream and tan windows, vinyl windows. Has a front door, solid front door with a half moon. This one is done in a lighter gray. You can see it has a little extra in the kitchen as far as the visuals. And it has a popcorn ceiling with a fan. Has a refrigerator, sink, dishwasher, mini split up top. So it is a 1-bedroom and it does have the bathroom. It has the box. Has a built-in cabinet area for your television and armoire. It is also equipped with the stackable washer and dryer here in the bathroom. It has mirrors, so it does come with this unit. Toilet, standard toilet, fairly large walk-in shower. Again, this unit is ready to go. So the price on this unit right now is running about $50,000. If you're interested, you can comment below and I will get you in touch with the folks that can get you into this unit today.